You want to know how I got from this to this? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how. Hey Roses, so look at this. What am I going to do? Oh, wait a minute. Let's go ahead and get this hair up and out the way first. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a bun on the top of my head. And if you don't have as much hair as me, just go ahead and get a piece of material, ball it up, and just place it on the top of your head, okay? Next is to protect your hair. Best way to do that is with a silk or satin wrap or bonnet or scarf. Doesn't matter how you tie it as long as you have your hair covered. Okay? Next, get yourself a head wrap. And if you don't have one, I have a link in the description box on how you can get one. So let's go ahead and tie this, and we're going to tie it to the back of our head, okay? It's just one time. And if you don't want to tie it, you can just crisscross each side of the head wrap, okay? Then we're going to take it to the front, cross it over, and on both sides, just tuck it underneath the pieces we already wrapped. That's it. So make sure it's secure and tucked in. Straighten it out a little bit. And that's it for style 1. This is style 1 of the Queen of Wrap series. Okay? Are you ready for style 2? Well, make sure you subscribe so you're ready for it. I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.